Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will speak about my daily routine. Since I have 20 years experience of English speaking countries in industry like US, KSA, Oman, Muscat International Airport, and then United Arab Emirates in Kuwait. So I will speak about my daily routine so that beginners can speak or listen just 5 minutes, okay? That's called repeat after someone, practice or listening practice. When I talk about this in English, many listeners can get confused. They might ask, what is a routine and what is a daily routine? I would like to tell them that a daily routine is like we do every day or almost every day. In my life, I have a routine that I am going to share you. Just like in the morning time, I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I usually drink hot water, then take tea with some cookies. And usually sometimes I do cycling for about 10 minutes. After that, I go to work 6 days a week. But since I take one day off, it's called my regular routine. Usually I pray in the morning, have a cup of tea, and go for cycling. So praying, drinking tea, and go for cycling, that is my morning routine. What about you? What do you do in the morning? Tell me in the comments. In my workplace, after punching, I go for rounding and check stock levels in our stores. I also check patient meals and revenues and update in the cost tracker, in posting invoices and requisition, and issue the physical items of the kitchen. I order in the system dry food items, fresh dairy items, bakery items, butchery items, as well as fresh vegetables and fruits according to our location requirements. I also order non-food items and disposable items and chemical items for our kitchen and patient. As per the patient menu, I check the menu and after that I order new things. I check deliveries with dietitians, reply the emails, and prepare the daily reports, weekly reports, monthly reports, quarterly, half yearly, and yearly reports. Also, I coordinate with our supply chain management. I consider our client request according to the agreement of our project, including brand items and specific menus for the coffee shop and cafeterias. I also handle many audits. So Dubai municipality is very strict about auditing. And our company also take care about that. In my company where I work as a senior store in charge, I usually don't take a long break in lunch time. But according to UAE government rules, employees get a 1 hour lunch break in rest, and also during the summer months, construction workers getting 2 hours lunch break. On my weekly off, I like to take a nap and enjoy a cup of tea after taking my lunch. That is a part of my afternoon routine. What about you? What's your afternoon routine? Tell me in the comments. After I finish my work, I come home in the evening. In the evening, my wife and I teach our kids together. We usually finish teaching between 6 and 8 p.m. Then we have dinner. After dinner, we spend time with our kids until about 10 p.m. and get ready for the bed. That's my evening routine. Now tell me, what's your evening routine? I really wanted to know. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.